First off, this video is just my opinion. After recording music at home for over 20 years and using tons of digital audio workstations over those years, these are the ones that I would avoid if you're like me and you mainly record instruments in, so guitars and even your vocals and any other real-world instrument that's not MIDI. And I know I'm going to get a lot of comments for number 3 on this list, but hey, it's just my opinion. Now let's start with the first one, which is the Stargate DAW. And you likely haven't heard about this one. It's open source and a cool idea to have a lightweight DAW that fits on a USB drive, and you can take it with you on the go and open it up on pretty much any computer and take all of your projects with you, including all of the effects and the instruments that are built into it. It does give you everything that you need for recording MIDI and audio into it, but recording audio really isn't a strong point in this one. It's not intuitive, and the workflow just to record the audio feels really odd. So if you're primarily recording instruments and vocals and that sort of thing, this might be one that you want to steer clear of. The next one on the list is another open source project, and this one is LMMS. And the reason why this is on there is because you can't record audio directly into it. You have to use another program like maybe Audacity, and then you can bring that recorded audio into this program. All right, so now the third one on the list, which is the one I know I'm going to get lots of comments about, and that's FL Studio. So this was actually the very first digital audio workstation that I purchased. I liked it enough to spend my hard-earned money back then, which wasn't a lot of money that I had, and I thought it was excellent. I was creating lots of music, recording audio into there, my guitars, my vocals, and that sort of thing. But the audio recording process of FL Studio is a pain when compared to other digital audio workstations. Once I started checking out other digital audio workstations, mainly Pro Tools back in the day, I realized for the type of music that I create, which is mainly recording instruments and audio and vocals into the program, that FL Studio was holding me back and kind of complicating things. So I do recommend checking out other programs if you're mainly recording audio in. Now, the next one on the list is Akai MPC Beats. Now, this is another really cool one. It gives you that hardware MPC workflow with lots of effects and instruments and sounds that come with it, but you're limited to just 2 stereo audio tracks. And if you're primarily recording audio in, you're going to need a lot more than just 2 audio tracks. If they were to allow even up to 8 audio tracks in this one, it could be a really cool program for you, but they do have the MPC-2 DAW, which gives you unlimited audio tracks, and it gives you that MPC workflow, and it can be a great DAW. But the Akai MPC Beats really isn't for you if you're mainly recording audio in and you need more than 2 tracks. Now, another one that I might get some comments on is Bandlab Studio, not Cakewalk by Bandlab, just the regular Bandlab Studio. And this is a cloud-based DAW, so you can record pretty much from any device, your phone, tablet, a Chromebook, or PC or Mac, whatever device you're on, you can record from it because it's in the cloud. Now, why would I not recommend this for recording mainly audio in? Due to the program being in the cloud, then your internet connection can affect the quality of the audio that you're recording in. It can also affect the latency of that audio. And this is the time that it takes to go into your audio interface, then into the cloud and into the program where it's going to get processed, then come back out into your audio interface so you can hear it. So if you're trying to record your guitar and you're listening to your guitar while you're listening to some sort of backing track or a metronome, that sort of thing, then there's going to be some latency latency which can throw off your playing. And if you're still searching for the best digital audio workstation for you, then click the video on the screen for some of the best DAWs for PC. And if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. For Audio Tech TV, I'm Zane. Keep creating. Fist bump. Thumbs up.